Okay, so I'll show you some a warm up here. So these are called halos. So this is a 35-pound kettlebell. It's nice one to warm up. I guess you can go lighter or heavier. But hold the kettlebell bottoms up on the horns, the side handles here, and keep it close to you. And then just wrap it around your head there. About 3 to 5 times around each way. And then reverse it. It's a good warm up. It's called halos. And the key there is just to keep the kettlebell close to you and kind of keep your abs tight, let your shoulders relax down. Okay, bottoms up. Pretty simple from the side here. What else I like doing for warm-up is toe touches. And just hinge at the waist, slight knee bend. Touch your toes and then just keep your chest up and just squeeze your glutes there. Usually do about, 5 to 10 toe touches. Little rebound when I squeeze my glutes, keep my abs tight, lift my chest. Okay, and then some body weight squats. It's a nice warm up too. Chest up, hinge over. From the side. And arm swings. Yeah, swing them out to the side here. It's nice and easy. Reach up to the ceilings there. 5 to 10 or 15 or so. It's nice and loose. This is another stretch too. I'm not even really sure what to call it, but just kind of reach up and to the side. And just stretch all along the side of your body here. I can feel it in my shoulders, my lats, and then I point this, straighten out this ankle, and I can feel it up through this outer side of my body, and then just rotate or feels pretty good. Yeah, so I kind of just gently reach up to the ceiling and then rotate my hips and spine there. Okay, so what did I show you? I showed you halos. Hold the kettlebells bottoms up, wrap around your head a few times. Body weight squats. And toe touches, that stretching, the one reaching up here. Another good warm up is, I call it like the hinge stretch. Chest up, fold at the waist, and then just reach your hands forward and reach your hips back. Lots of hip flexion, slight knee bend. You'll feel that stretch all throughout here and in your shoulders, and then just stand up. Squeeze your back, abs tight, squeeze your glutes. So imagine from the heel through your spine, it's like a nice big long arc. Do like about 3 to 5 of those. And yeah, it's a nice